In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Windsor AI for data analysis. We'll take a Google Sheet and connect it to Windsor so you can quickly explore and analyze your campaigns. Start by opening Windsor.ai in your browser. On the onboarding page, use the search bar and type Google Sheets. Select the Google Sheets connector to begin setting up your data source. Now switch to Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to analyze. Click Share, set access so it can be viewed via link, and copy that link. For privacy, share read-only access and avoid exposing any sensitive or personal data in the sheet. Head back to Windsor and paste the Google Sheets link into the connector field. Windsor usually detects the spreadsheet ID automatically. If it doesn't, grab it from your Sheets URL. It's the long string between D and edit. Next, specify the sheet tab name exactly as it appears in Google Sheets. Use the tab that contains your data, and make sure your first row has clear column headers. Click Add Account to authorize access, then follow the prompt. When you return to Windsor, click Next to proceed. Choose the date range that fits your analysis. If your sheet has a date column, align the start and end dates to cover the period you care about. You can always refine later. Select the data source you just connected your Google Sheets connection so Windsor knows where to pull data from. Then choose the fields to analyze. Common picks include campaign name, channel, impressions, clicks, cost, conversions, and revenue. Start with the essentials to keep things fast, then add more fields as needed. Run the analysis to generate your report. Use filters or sorting to surface top-performing campaigns, spot cost spikes, and compare channels. If results look off, double-check your sheet. Ensure headers are in row 1, avoid merge cells, use consistent date formats, and keep numeric columns formatted as numbers. You can edit the connection, adjust the tab or date range, and rerun the analysis at any time. That's it. Your Google Sheets data is now powering insights in Windsor.